Hello, my name is Camille Ziegelhofer, and I serve as a dedicated advisor on the Crimson Initiative. Today I'm going to be reviewing Crimson Navigational Basics. To start off, Crimson is a web-based software application that focuses on physician performance. Hospitals send data from disparate systems, including quality information, utilization information, charge and cost information, and physician rosters. Depending on the hospital or system, we receive this data on a quarterly or monthly basis. There's a couple of key attributes about Crimson to keep in mind when you're starting off. First of all the data in the site is acute inpatient data. Second of all the data is statistically driven based on standard deviations from the mean, and you'll see this illustrated by gas gauges in the site. Lastly, the data is severity adjusted using the 3M APR-DRG grouper. What that does, it takes different attributes from cases such as admit and discharge date, admit source, admit type, discharge disposition, ICD diagnoses, ICD-9 procedures, and it takes all of those and spits out cases into 4 different severity levels: minor, moderate, major, and extreme. The idea here is to put all physicians on a level playing field, so you're really comparing apples to apples or like cases to like cases. When you first log into Crimson, you'll see this home screen. There are several different ways to navigate through the tool depending on your purpose. I like to think of the data as really 2 different avenues to start off with. The first avenue is to look at something specific, so to look at a specific physician or a specific group of physicians. The other avenue to take is really to start at a high level, looking at your organization from a 40,000-foot view, taking a look at opportunities and outliers. And to do that, you can look at the dashboard or the run filters option, which we'll review later. If you want to start off by looking at a specific physician, you can click on that Physician Profiles icon, or click on the Physicians tab in the green toolbar. This will take you to a physician search screen where you can search for a physician by his or her name or physician ID. Additionally, you can narrow this physician down by hospital, service line, or specialty. Once you've got that done, you can just click Find Physician and search for the profile. Rather than taking a look at a specific physician, you can also look at groups of physicians as well, in which case you want to click on that Group Profiles icon or the Groups tab in the top green toolbar on the home screen. This will take you to our Groups page, which has a couple of things. First of all, at the very top, you'll see we've got custom groups, and those are all in alphabetical order, and then going on down, you've got pre-existing groups, which are populated by your physician roster that we receive. Those will start off in more of a name convention fashion, which you'll see the particular hospital or facility, then the specialty, and then subspecialty if you've got it. If you want to create a custom group, you'll need the appropriate access levels in your user profile. If you do, you'll have this Create Group button. Once you click Create Group, it'll take you to this screen where you can give the group a name or a description. Say if you want to look at a couple of orthopedic surgeons who only perform one procedure, or a couple of best practice physicians, you can add that group here. So you add the members by clicking on that Add New Members, and then it'll take you to that physician search screen where you just search for the physician's name, select it, and add it to this list. Lastly, you can click Save to save the group and it'll populate that group's list, or you can click Cancel. One quick note about this is that the groups you do not have a unique profile in Crimson. So when you create a unique group, all other users can see that, or if you change a group, again, all other users can see that. A couple things we recommend for this. One is to just put your initials in front of the group so people know whose group is what, or to assign one system administrator who keeps track of all these. This is to prevent overwriting work. Now let's take a look at the home screen.